this sends a clear and loud message to law enforcement that racial profiling will no longer be tolerated.
In what's been called a landmark decision for racial profiling, Quebec Superior Court ruled Tuesday that police can no longer conduct traffic stops on motorists without a reason, that the practice violates sections of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. In a 170-page ruling, Judge Michel Yergeau said random checks are conduct to racially profile Black motorists.
As the court concluded, and in an unofficial translation, quote, racial profiling does exist. It is not a laboratory constructed abstraction. It is a reality that weighs heavily on Black communities.
The lawsuit was against the Canadian and Quebec governments and brought forth by a Quebec Black man, Joseph Christopher Luamba, who had been stopped by police multiple times just to check his ID, none of which resulted in a ticket.
Some of my clients I've had a routine check 100 times, 150 times by police officers. Some have actually moved away from their city because they want to get away from some police officer who keep arresting them.
It just validates, of course, what we've been saying all along.
Montrealer Joel de Bellefeuille won a groundbreaking racial profiling driving while Black case in November 2020 against a Montreal area city and police force. He testified about his lived experiences in the Luamba case.
This is our victory, not only for as a human rights organization, but literally for everybody that has been affected by it here in the province of Quebec.
Our hope is that Quebec will lead the way, that other jurisdictions across Canada will make the same move, hopefully without needing a challenge.
The Association of Quebec Police Directors say in a statement, the issues raised by this judgment are of great concern to the ADPQ because the purpose of Section 636 of the Highway Safety Code is to protect road users by ensuring that drivers and vehicles comply with the law and established standards.
Police officers will have to be smarter on how they actually want to fight crime.
Police forces will have 6 months before it becomes law to stop the practice. Both governments have 30 days to appeal the decision.
It's going to change lives and it means a lot. And of course, the fight is not over, but we have a major victory.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.